Today we'll be looking at Canva text effects. So first of all, let's put a background. We'll open up a page. Let's put a background in here. We'll just have to move that in. Let's bring it down to about 50%. Or yeah, 52 to then let's add a heading. Let's put it, enlarge it a bit and change it to, we'll change it to this. So we can adjust it, position, we go to arrange and bring it to center and middle. For this, what we're going to do is we're going to now duplicate this. Just bring it down a bit. So for this one, we'll change the color to yellow. I want it really bright. I wanted a bright yellow. So I wanted this color. We change it to the same color. Or you can change it to black. And for this one, I want to make it hollow. What to do is position, make it center, middle, and the same thing is here, middle. Now what you do is go up to elements and search for cat. Go to photos. So now that we've got this cat, let's make it smaller and bring it to the middle. You can go back to position again and make sure center and middle is there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to position, click position, go to layers. You make sure that this is in between. And this one is at the bottom. If you look here now, you can see that. Right? So now we're going to change it to about 2 seconds. Change it to about 2 seconds. We're going to duplicate it. And we're going to go here and we're going to do a match and move. So we're going to do a match and move. And we're going to move this to about, what we're going to do here is we're going to click on the cat and we're going to make it bigger so that we can fill in, so that you can see the colors. So go to position again. We can just make it in the middle. I want to make the color. Let's go back to position. An easy way of doing it is we take that and we now change it. So it's black. I want to change it to red. So you can see the red there. Okay, so now we go back here and we look at it. And you can see. Now the other thing we can do is we can duplicate it again. And this time on the third slide, click that and we make it small again. Okay, make it small again. And then we take this, we bring it up here, this, and we bring it up here as well. Make it that small, we can make it that small. And okay, we go up here, we match and move, and we bring it up to 0.9. So let's play the whole thing. For this one, click the background, was at 52. Let's make it a bit more, maybe 72. Okay, let's play now. I hope you liked it.